What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Burrow Farm. Oh, not in the field today, but this afternoon we're having to do a little maintenance on our tractor here. Can't see it from there, but right here is a screen in the back that's got to be pulled. We're having some very weak hydraulics. We're thinking that it's stopped up, so we're going to pull it and see what happens. If it is stopped up, good. We got another one here to fix it. Put back in its spot, a new one. So we'll see what it is. Stick around. Looks like I got the right parts. Ooh. Alright, comes the moment of truth. Put some gloves on here so I don't get crap all over my hands. It's like anything else that I'll deal with, it's not going to be easy. I lose the bolts. There we go. There we go. Woo. Oh yeah. When I say it stopped up, I mean it is stopped up. You see that? Almost completely stopped up. I wonder we were not getting any flow. I mean, that's pretty bad. But new one in. It's different. How's the new one looks like? Look there, good and clean. There's any way to get the rest of the trash out of there. Well, I gotta find a flashlight. Hang on. If anybody farms, you know this is the most expensive bag you will ever buy. Little bitty. But, alright, so we got it in. Or we're finna put it in. But I went ahead and got a new O-ring too. No need halfway doing it, so we're gonna place the O-ring too. Well, we got all part because you gotta drain all the hydraulic fluid out. All 10 gallons. It's not what I think is fun, but hey. Whatever. Maybe we can get this joker back going. Alrighty. That's it. Pretty simple. It's in there. All right. Now we got to fill back up with hydraulic fluid. One more can of oil here. I'd stop for a second and go help Grayson find some zip ties. He's building something. I have no idea what he's building. I don't know if I should be worried or not. It's usually going to be a trap or something. So this thing holds 10 gallons, so these 2 buckets ought to be enough. Not quite 10 gallons coming out of it. So. I don't have quite 10 gallons, so I'm hoping it's plenty. Ought to work a lot better now, though. So we had to, that's the main reason this blocked up there is because we had the brakes disintegrate on this tractor. And back during the winter, we replaced the brakes. Had to take the final drives off and split everything. Thought we cleaned it out good enough, got all the broken brake debris out, but apparently we didn't. It was apparently a lot worse than what we thought. So, but hopefully now we can actually get brakes on this tractor too. We've been operating without brakes. That's always fun. But thank goodness it's got a front bucket on it, so you can use it to stop yourself. So, all right. So now we're gonna crank it up. See what happens. Hopefully that operates a little better. Let's see. Got a weak pump on it, or still got a bunch of air in the line. Still not working right. check the levels real quick. So it's still saying add. Let's see if we can find some more hydraulic fluid laying around here.